All right, look what we got here, ladies and gents. 1718 Panini Prism Hobby Box. 2 autographs on average. 12 cards per pack. 12 packs per box. Let's get into this. Been super stoked about this coming in the mail. I'm checking every day on my phone. Oh man, that's nice. That's it. Okay. Let's get it. Jared Allen rookie. CJ McCollum auto. DeMar DeRozan, red. 49, 4/49. It's pretty good, CJ McCollum. Steph Curry fundamentals. Brad Steven looks like a hyper prism. Brandon Ingram, red. It's not numbered. See if we can get this light down a little more. Maybe we can get the prisms to reflect a little better. OG, oh man, ooh, almost messed that up. OG silver, that's a silver prism. Ooh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And I almost dropped it on its corner. Man, that's a pretty one. All right, and we got a hyper Justin Jackson, Lonzo Ball rookie base, Lauri Markkanen rookie base, and Wade Selden Jr. Man, that was a good pack, wasn't it? So 2 autos so far. And I think that's it for the box. Unless they just surprise me with another one. But I'll tell you what, I'm happy with that. I'm real happy with that. We got Damian Lillard fundamentals. Marcin Get Hyped. Marcin Gortat. Jokic. I don't know what this one is called. It's of 25 though. So there you go. Not bad so far. I'm gonna stay with that side of the box. LeBron base. Got Alonzo Emergent. Terrence Ross. This one is not numbered. Dwayne Wade. Not numbered. Tyler Dorsey rookie. Wes Unsealed fundamentals. Joe Ingles, silver. Brooke Lopez, purple, which is of 75. Sindarius Thornwell, rookie, base. OG. Tyler Linden, Malik Monk, Emergent, Check Diallo, silver, Dragon Bender, okay, 199. I swear, I thought that was a black for a second. It's a blue of 199. Jeremy Lin fundamentals, Furkan Korkmaz, rookie hyper. Ivan Rabb, red, not numbered. Frank. DJ Wilson, De'Aaron Fox Emergent, Damari Carroll Silver, Michael Carter Williams of 199, Juwan Evans rookie, Jordan Bell rookie, Dirk fundamentals, Miles Turner get hyped, Vucevic hyper, Macario White rookie, John Collins rookie, Frank Jackson, we got Frank Nikilia again emergent, Eric Bledsoe hyper, Mike D'Antoni coach card, not numbered. And last pack. Again, thanks for watching. If you want to see more, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And here we go. Hope I didn't miss a rookie. Alright. No missing rookies. DeMarcus Cousins fundamentals. Scott Brooks silver. De'Aaron Fox of 99. You know, this freaked me out too, because I see this like black ice and I see the black borders and I'm thinking 1 of 1, but it's not. It's 99, but it still looks great. It is a nice one. All right, and that's it. Thanks.